Hello, everyone. Get ready for something awesome, because today I am showcasing an incredible mod for solo leveling Arise that is going to blow your mind. Stick around until the end to see it in action, and please hit that subscribe button to join the crew. This mod works perfectly on all Android and iOS devices, and it comes with a slick mod menu that you can access by tapping the gear icon in-game. The star feature? Unlimited diamonds to power up your gameplay. Plus, there are other cool tweaks to enhance your solo leveling Arise experience. To make this mod work, ensure you have the latest version of solo leveling Arise installed. I have shared all the details on where to get this mod in the pinned comment below, so check it out. Watch closely as I activate the mod menu and max out those diamonds. If this mod works for you, drop a comment below and let me know. Thanks for watching. And if you enjoyed this, please subscribe for more gaming content. For all the info on getting this mod, head to the pinned comment. See you next time.